lovelies, welcome and welcome back. And if it's your first time here, kindly consider subscribing, like, comment and share so that I can get to grow, or we grow together. So I'm making chapatis, and here I have 2 kg of flour. With that, this is wheat flour, so I'm just going to pour the wheat flour here. I'm not going to add it all. I'll just leave some that I can use to roll out the chapatis later. So I guess this is enough. I will then go in with salt. I'll add about a full, this is full teaspoon. I'm going to add it there. Then add some little. I don't know how will I call this, but I prefer using this when cooking chapatis. Some will come after me, but this is what I love using. So I'll just add it there. You can choose to warm it or use it the way it is. So I'll just do this way. Make sure you combine your flour well with the solid oil plus the salt. So now gradually I will go in with my water. This is hot water. Today I'm using hot. Just go in slowly by slowly. Water again. Be keen, you don't burn your fingers. So after this, I will just transfer it here to my working area. So chapati dough, you need to knead this for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to knead this. Mine I will just knead for 15 minutes. So the 15 minutes are over. I will get it back to this bowl. Okay. Place it there. Then I will cover this. I will let it rest. Again, I will let it rest for 30 minutes. So the 30 minutes are over. Now we will start working on our dough. On our dough here. You see, it's really soft and stretchy. So I will cut this into small balls like so. Place it aside. So see here, we are done. Again, I will just cover them up and let them be. So here we have our flour and our hot oil, and we have our rolling stick. So now we start. You pick one. So you take oil, your oil there. Just use your hand to spread the oil. Like so. So now you flip this end like this, again like that, like this, like that. Then you hold the two ends, you get them together like so. Then you do it like this. Then you grab from this end and roll. Then you tuck in this here. So you continue with the same process till all are done. To place our pan on fire, I will place it there and let it heat. So while the pan is heating, we will go back and start rolling the chapati. All these are done, as you can see. So you just pick one like this, sprinkle flour, enough flour so that it can help us roll out like so. Then you just roll. You keep turning it around and make sure you don't concentrate on the center. You work on sides as well. So you get to see we got the round shape. Now we go back to our pan like so. The round shape. There you go. So we go back to our pan. The pan has heat enough. So I will pick our chapati like this and place it there. I always use my cooking stick. We will wait for the bottom part to cook. Then we will flip it again. So as you can see, it has started drying up. So if you trust your hands or your fingers enough, just use them to rotate it. Keep rotating it so that it can get to dry on all the sides. But if you don't, use a spoon. On my end, I always use my hands like so. So we will wait till it dries completely. Hope you see. And remember not to put high heat, just use medium heat. So I will take my spoon and check if you see now it has dried up. So again, you give it like 1 minute for the bottom part to dry completely. So after that one, you see it has already dried. I will take my cooking oil. So I will pour on the bottom side like so. And you keep on turning it. No, not turning, rotating it. And checking if it's cooked at the bottom. I can see the bottom part is cooked well, so I flip it again. You see, I add oil on the bottom side like so, and keep rotating it as well. After 1 to 2 minutes, the bottom side will be ready. And now your chapati is ready, you see. So you continue with the same process till all the chapatis are done. You see, it is good. You place it aside. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much. See how they look. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, hit that notification bell and subscribe. Road to 3K subscribers. Look at that.